What's up, guys? I'm here again, this time to unboxing my new toy. Have a long time I would like to buy this, but I was always leaving to later. So I finally bought, and I'm just an enthusiast. I'm just a beginner, so I don't see any reason to spend too much money. I spend really few bucks here, and then really excited. I will share with you guys my new toy. Yep. Telescope. So let's see. Coming. One more box. Here I can see, oh nice, this is a backpack, so I can have a trip, I can have a hiking, and have my telescope in my back. Nice so far. Well, everybody's read right later. I have no idea. Filter. This is a filter, and let's see. Again, I'm just a beginner. Most of the things here I don't know how to use. I don't know names. So yeah, for example, this guy, I have no idea. I will set up the stuffs and I will show it to you later. How everything works. I hear a lot, I watched a lot of movies about when you are looking planets, like when you are looking for stars. So I'm really excited to test. Today it's really a cloudy day. I don't know how it will be at night. I hope at night the weather can be better, so I can share some pictures with you. All right, let's test the new guy later. Thank you for watching until here.